Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So as you guys can tell by today's title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of my Triple S Balenciaga sneakers. So I've been wanting these sneakers for so long. It literally was about months that I've been wanting them for, but I just haven't really, you know, gotten the courage to buy it because, as you guys all know, they are a little bit pricey. So I wasn't really sure if I actually needed them or not, but you know, I kind of just one night made that purchase and I was like, F it, you know. My wallet hurt a little bit, but that's all right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys about the sneaker and show you guys like the box and stuff like that, and just give you guys my opinion on the sneakers and if it's worth it or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the box looks like. This is the box. So I kind of was a little disappointed by the way the box came. It's just literally like a cardboard box, like regular sneaker shoe box, but I thought I was gonna have some bougie ass sneaker box because, you know, these sneakers were hella expensive. So I figured, you know, some designer sneakers come with fire ass shoe boxes, but Balenciaga decided not to. That's a downfall right there, but that's really not a big deal. I'm not gonna keep it in the sneaker box because, you know, this is not that cute, although I don't want to get them dirty. So I've had these sneakers for about like a few weeks now, maybe like 2 weeks or so, and I haven't even worn them yet because I don't know why, but I'm that type of person that, like, if I get designer, like, I'm scared to wear it because I don't want to ruin it. But whatever, like, I know I'm gonna have to wear it. I don't know, I'm just weird. So once I get out of that little phase, then I'm gonna go ahead and wear it. But yeah, so these are the sneakers. They say Balenciaga on the side. This is just a tag that's in the way, but they say Balenciaga. This is the shade, I think it's white or something like that, or honeycomb. I don't even know what the sneaker's called, but it's like an off-white color. It has like beige in it, a little bit of gray. So I decided to get this color because it literally matches with everything. It can go with blacks, whites, grays, whatever you guys want. And I'm kind of like a solid color girl. Like, I only wear solid colors, like mainly black or white. So I figured these shoes would be great and they go with it. So yeah, so pretty much on the side it says Balenciaga. The back says Balenciaga. I don't know if you guys could see. My camera's being annoying. But anyway, then this is the other side. It doesn't say Balenciaga on this side. And then this is the front of the sneaker. And this number right here says 38. It's pretty much the size of your shoe. So I'm a size 38 in European style, which is actually equivalent to 8 in the US. But so I want to say the fit was kind of true to size. My foot ranges, it depends on the shoe that I'm in. It ranges from a 7 to an 8. So I could be a 7, 7.5, 8. But I guess this just, I don't want to say ran a little bit bigger because I am an 8 in some sneakers. So I guess, I don't know. So I tried on these shoes before I actually ordered it online. So before this whole quarantine happened, I tried it on like literally months ago when I first wanted it. And I kind of just remembered what my size was. So I got this off of a site called Essence. You guys should go check out that site because it was a little bit cheaper on that site. It's real and authentic stuff as well, but it was just a little bit cheaper. I didn't get them off the actual Balenciaga site, but you guys should go check that site out. What else? So it has these little shoelaces. It's black and white, like little lines. It's hard to tell, but whatever. And these are like a little, I want to say like mesh kind of tongue on the sneaker. It says Triple S, and then on the inside it just has the sizes, and it says Balenciaga on the inside as well. And yeah, so they are pretty big and clunky, but These are cute little dad shoes. I love them. So they don't even look this big on. Yes, they look big on your foot, but it kind of fits your foot. It doesn't look overly oversized and huge. But I'm gonna try them on for you guys as well, so you guys can kind of see how they look on a foot. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and then the bottom of the shoe, it says Balenciaga. It's in the shade of what like the side of the shoe is, if you can see that. And I haven't worn them, so they're literally squeaky clean. But yeah, and the one thing that kind of annoyed me about this shoe is that, I don't know if you guys can tell, but they have like a little flap thing that sticks out on the side. How do I show you guys this? They have it on the side. It kind of sticks out. That's just the make of the shoe, but it kind of was weird to me at first. I was like, why is it sticking out of my sneaker? Like, that kind of looks a little weird, but you know, I kind of got used to it, and it's all over the shoe, so that's just how it comes. It's not broken or anything, if that's what you guys think, but that's how it comes. And yeah, they're literally super sleek and chic, and I love it. Like, this is so, what is that? Oh wow, look, it kind of looks like a little upside down smiley face. You see? Little upside down smiley. But yeah, that comes in there. What else comes? And it comes with a little drawstring bag. I don't know what you would call this, but this is what you could put your sneakers in. And they only gave me one, so I guess they want me to put both sneakers in one of these. But I don't even know if I'm gonna keep it in here. Actually, I might, honestly, so it doesn't get dirty, because I'm not keeping this flimsy box. I don't need that. But yeah, this is cool to have, a little drawstring bag. It says Balenciaga. It's gray, so it matches the box that it came with. And what else is in here? This is the other sneaker, same exact thing. It says Balenciaga. Same exact thing. It says Balenciaga on the side. It has your European size of the shoe. It's like a nice fit. It fits your foot really well. I kind of thought I got my size a little bit too big, because when I wore it, like, my heel would kind of slide up a little bit, but it was just because I didn't have my shoes tied. So the 8 fit perfectly. So if you guys are a size 8, I would get the 38 in these. They are European size, which is a little bit difficult if you don't know your size. I definitely recommend trying them on before you order it online. But yeah, that's about it. It's the same exact thing. And this is just like a little tag that they get. Triple S sneaker, soft street, honeycomb, white. It's in shade white. So the color is white of this shoe, 38. And what is all this stuff? It's all just like packaging in here. That's pretty much it. But I could have sworn they gave me extra shoelaces with it. Unless I'm bugging. Whatever. I can't find it right now, but maybe they didn't. Maybe they gypped me off. But whatever. So yeah, so these are what the sneakers look like. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try them on for you guys right now, so you can see what they look like on an actual foot, so you guys can see if they look too big for you or not. And you guys have to keep in mind that these are dad shoes, so dad shoes are a little bit bigger and they are a little bit bulkier, but you know, I kind of like the fit, I like the style. You could dress it up, you could dress it down, you could wear it with jeans, you could wear it with a jumpsuit, you could wear it with leggings, you could wear it with anything you guys want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try it on and show you guys. Okay guys, so this is it on my feet. This is with the sock. This is without a tall sock. This is the sides. So it really doesn't look that bad or as big as you guys think it would have looked. And they're super comfortable when you walk, so. So the shoes are super comfortable and they fit me really well. It's not sliding out once you tie it a little bit tighter. you should be good. I didn't want to go a size smaller because my foot is right there at the tip, so I didn't want to try to squeeze it, and plus you need to get a sock on also. So I went with the 8 and I just tied it a little bit tighter, and it does not slip out at all. But they fit super comfortably. I literally love the way they look. Like, this is a dad shoe. It's supposed to be a little bit bigger. But yeah, so I highly recommend getting these Triple S's Balenciagas. I think personally it is worth it. This goes with a lot of outfits. You can dress it up, dress it down like I had said. And yes, they are a little bit expensive, but I truly think they are worth it. So that's about it, guys, for my unboxing and review of the Balenciaga Triple S sneakers. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to click that subscribe button and turn the post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching.